Hey everybody, Dr. P checking in with you on this fine Monday morning. We have a relatively busy week in History 1301. There's a few assignments that I do need you to keep your eye on. Let's begin with Quiz 2. Quiz 2 is going to be due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Quiz 2 is going to be a little bit different, a lot different than Quiz 1. For all intents and purposes, Quiz 1 was an opinion-based question. And as I insinuated before, you almost had to try not to get full credit for that. Quiz 2 is different in the sense that it's going to ask you to read a document that's entitled, But What Warrant Do We Have to the Land? And you're going to use that document written by Joseph Winthrop to answer the central question in the quiz. Now, if you're looking at the quiz right now in Canvas, look at the central question. It's going to ask you, how does he justify taking Native American land? To find that document, look right underneath the question inside Quiz 2, and you'll see that it's pinned as a PDF document. Keep in mind, these quizzes are open book, they're open note, they're untimed, so take as long as you need. Refer back to that reading as much as you'd like to. And here's a pro tip, pay very close attention to what he has to say when it comes to a natural right versus civil rights. If you focus on natural versus civil rights, you'll understand what I'm talking about, and it'll go a long way when it comes to answering that central question. Now, aside from Quiz 2, you also have Discussion Forum 3. That's going to be due Friday at 11:59 p.m. Okay? So Quiz 2 Wednesday, Discussion Forum 3 Friday. And the other thing that I would really recommend is make some very meaningful progress in Frederick Douglass's book, My Bondage and My Freedom. You're going to see why that book is so central, so important once we get closer to the due date of paper one. That's all I've got for you for right now, guys. If you have any individual questions, you know how to get a hold of me.